Now, as you're running your small business and actually growing that small business, you may find yourself having a variety of technology in your shop or in your craft room. You may be having an apparel printer to create DTFs. You also may have, a sublimation machine. Vacuum forming could be something that's also present. There's just all these different technologies that really come into play when it comes to personalization. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a new product that XTOOL just launched that actually simplifies at least one of them. And it's really a press that can handle all the products that we've highlighted. They call it the WonderPress, and I just wanted to share with you what we saw in the video that they've just launched. And actually, this is a product that is available that's available for pre-order, and it looks like it's going to be shipping really soon. And I'm going to hit play on the video here so you can check this out. And we'll stop throughout the entire video. Excuse me. We'll stop the entire video just to see what it does. And as you can see here, the really big thing that we find is that it has a press. Well, as we go through this press, you'll notice that it's not just about a press. And for me, one of the biggest things that we use, at least at this time, in our business is we use, for example, the press feature as we have an apparel printer. We used to do some of the other things that we're going to see here, but we haven't done this. So our business is really focused on just probably about 2 of the 3 things that they're highlighting. But it is, again, a press. And what I like about this is that there's no physical pulling down of a bar. You push a button and it presses, and that saves a lot of time. For example, Nolda suffers from carpal tunnel, so having the actual physical press process doesn't really work for her. Lower the volume a little bit. So here you'll notice that it has 2 different components, and it's almost like it's a stackable solution. So you basically have your press on top, and on the bottom, there is another component there. Watch this. So it supports 3D sublimation. And this kind of took me back because, I know sublimation. 3D sublimation? Watch this. So you're able to, check this out, and on a phone case, typically if you're going to use sublimation, it's really difficult to get the corners of your phone case. You only get the top, right? And if you think about the whole pressing process, it's only the top. So getting the edges is very difficult. This, though, looks like it's almost like has a vacuum. Matter of fact, it does, where it actually helps adjust the curvature of the device that you are pressing, which makes this look a lot more professional. Watch this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at even keycaps, which is again different because again, when you're doing sublimation, unless you're doing a wrap, which a lot of us have done, where you take the actual paper, sublimation paper, and you wrap it around a cup and you put the tape on it, that's how you typically do stuff. But this is a vacuum, so it's actually creating suction and pulling things down. Let's see this. So I think that this is pretty cool. So notice this. This is just, again, a really big different product. And then you have the actual again, mold former that you see here. And this is where I'm saying that it's very different than a traditional sublimation machine because it's actually forming the actual, in this case, sublimation, or in this case, the actual plastic around the object. And this is great if you're going to be doing packaging. I'm trying to get around in my head, like, how can I use this in our business or some of the things that we do? But it's really cool. Now, this is also pretty fantastic. The fact that you could do molding to create chocolate, food, or any kind of gourmet product in your craft. Interesting. Don't know if we'll do this, but I like the fact that you can. Let's see what else this thing can do. You have the press to form. You can see here. You have craft baking. All right. You can see. So the craft baking, just so that you guys understand what that is. Some of you may have not purchased the actual shaker oven, or if you have another product, right? Let's say you're using a product from another vendor. This will work as well. So basically, once you apply your DTF powder, you need to bake it. You can actually use this product to bake the transfers before you press them. So it is, again, multiple tools in one. It's a press and it's an oven at the same time, which in other cases, you have a separate oven and then you have a separate press. This combines them together. So this is going to be incredibly space saving because, again, it stacks on top of each other. And I thought that that was pretty cool when I saw this. So here you'll see some of the things that you can do, obviously with the earrings and these 3 components. I really like this. I like the fact that it has the automated press, and I'm very curious about how these other pieces would work in our business. If you have experience with vacuum forming, if you have experience with I would say sublimation, and you've seen this video, let me know in the comment area, what does this mean to you? Does it change anything in your process? And again, this is available now. You can put a deposit. I'll put the link down in the comment area below. And just make sure that if you choose it, that you choose the one that has the bundle, because there are different options here. There's one that basically has just the press, and then there's one that has the vacuum and everything else. So just make sure you make the right choice. So now for those of you who are curious as to the cost, I wanted to take you to the XTOOL website. And you can see right here, $10 is basically going to give you a discount. And this is how they typically do things. So it reduces the price. And I think that at $3.99, that's a pretty interesting price point to start at, knowing that, presses are far above that. So you would get, if you do the $10 early bird lock, you'd get the material kit, and that material kit I would expect is going to be like vacuum forming material, and probably some other things there. And you get some priority shipping here. And notice the modules, 3 modules, infinite possibilities. You have the heat press, which is what we were talking about. You then have the 3D molding form, and then the craft oven. And that's going to give you, again, the ability to work with acrylic sublimation, DTF transfers. And keep in mind that you can't do acrylic at this time with the apparel printer. This is truly going to be sublimation. Now, when the UV printer comes out, you can UV print acrylic. We do that all day long. And then you can see the other options here. So this is just one solution. And you can see, again, all of the capabilities that it's highlighting here when it comes to the products. Now, you'll see here, I like that it has that slide in that you see there. And then this is the feature that I was talking about earlier. This is the part that has me very curious because of the ability to get into the edges, which I typically don't see. And it doesn't look like you have to put the crafting tape, that tape that you use for heat transfer. It doesn't look like you need to do that. At least they're not doing it because of that vacuum seal. So that is also something that I find that is pretty interesting for me. Here you can see some of the other options that they have going on. And again, really interested to learn what you would do with something like this if you were to choose this. So make sure you check out all the details. Let's see what the paid deposit now process looks like, and we'll see if there is anything else here. So pretty much all it is the $10 deposit, and maybe that entire price is for everything. Let's see. I don't see anything that says that it is separate in its breakdown. So we'll have to see how this is going to work, because I don't really see anything on here that says, is it $3.99 for everything? Or early bird, look at it right here. Early bird includes the heat press module only. 3D form and crafting modules can be added as optional upgrades. So there's your answer, guys. So make sure that when you do your order, which this is what XTOOL does, right? You do your lock-in to get the discount. Then basically what you do is you do the other two, you actually do your order. You would then choose the other 2 components, and I guess that's when the total price would be revealed. Something to consider as you're placing this deposit. Once again, let me know what you think in the comment area, and I'll see you in the next one.